Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in home and kitchen gadgets. This cloth drying rope equipped with hooks is lightweight and exceptionally convenient for travelers, students and families alike. This clothes hanger peg is made up of stainless steel. Swivel hook allows you to effortlessly rotate the rack. Easy latching safety lock prevents the hook from falling off. Suitable to dry your socks, towel, gloves, handkerchiefs, baby clothes or other small delicate items. Also available in different sizes. This is a wall-mounted retractable cloth rack. It handles up to 60 pounds and also a convenient collapsible hanger. These are high-quality retractable clothesline. This one is easy to disassemble. Just unlock, pull, click and lock. This retractable clothesline has a strong load-bearing capacity. It can be installed on any wall and is suitable for the ideal clothesline that needs hanging space. It is very easy to install, including bedroom, bathroom, living room, balcony, closet, etc. This clothes hanger peg is made up of stainless steel. Swivel hook allows you to effortlessly rotate the rack. Easy latching safety lock prevents the hook from falling off. These are windproof anti-slip clothes washing line nylon rope with hook. It is ideal for indoor and outdoor home drying clothes and other lifestyle use for travelers and campers. And this one is a heavy-duty stainless steel foldable cloth drying stand. This 3-layer drying rack features 6 folding wings and 24 sturdy rods, providing ample space for air drying your clothes. The foldable wings are great for saving space, making it perfect for smaller areas.